situation today is that unless we resist this kind of parochial nationalism that which they are trying to propagate through their own slogans, through their own ideology, and try to make this nation a nation of few Brahmanical forces, this nation will completely get destroyed. Now, therefore, we need to unite to fight them, and they are trying to give some slogans which are of absolute no meaning. Today, see, once this country was known as Buddha Bhumi, today it is being known as Bhim Bhumi. See, that resists these forces which are becoming intolerant, which are trying to reduce good universities into bad universities. See, look at this whole thing. They are saying JNU is a bad university, is anti-national. Hyderabad University is anti-national. There are anti-national forces in IIT Madras, all over the country and so on. But what did they do in universities like Banaras Hindu University, Kashi Vidyapeeth, where they were ruling all these years? What kind of education system they built? Did they bring up any Dalit, tribal, OBC woman intellectual from them? No, what they are trying to do is destroy the existing institutions. I think this we should resist. जब तक आज़ाद का इशू है, आज़ाद का मानी क्या है? आज़ाद today does not mean that we Pakistan will take us or Bangladesh will take this country. This is absolute nonsense. They cannot take this country, cannot be taken away by anybody. The question is the poorest of the poor, the weakest of the weak, the tribals, the Dalits, the women need to get freedom from oppression, exploitation, and the right to get equal education, the right to become a citizen everywhere, including the Hindu temples. What they are saying, see, Hinduism is their base religion. They are saying that they want to build Hindu culture. But why are you not making Dalits Shankaracharyas? Why are you not putting Dalits as priests in the Tirupati temple, in all big temples all over the country? You are a religious party. RSS is a religious wing of that party. Now they are talking about politics now. Politics have been there. See, politics were built by Gautam Buddha, politics were built by Ambedkar, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, politics by built Mahatma Gandhi also. But all these people have never built politics. The Hindutva forces never built politics of equality. They wanted politics of status quo, politics of backwardness, politics. See, they send their children to English medium schools, and they don't want to give that English medium education to the poor people, the tribals, the Dalits, the backwards, and they want to destroy the good universities that produce talent from these communities, and they want to give lot of money to those institutions which only do physical exercise. This is absolutely incorrect. The nation will be ruined with this kind of agendas. We must resist this.